Today's project will be how to turn a trash can into a pretty planter. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a basic trash can into a pretty planter, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Yeah, for this DIY project, you're going to need some assorted rocks, your favorite combination. You know, I go with the little desert rocks and a few of the aquarium figs, just because I like them. Your plant, and the trash can, which can be picked up at the 99-cent store. Okay, first you want to put in your plant and just see how high or low it is. I want it just a little higher, so I'm going to take it out. And just kind of line it with a few desert rocks. Okay, now I'm putting in the plant. That's high enough for me. That's all I want to see. And then just start filling it up with rocks. How easy is that? And of course, for a little color change, just add in the other rocks. I like these. They give a little glisten here and there, you know. You can do any color combination you choose to complement the plant. And of course, this has a little blue in the plant, so I'm going to go with a little bit of blue too. Looking good, huh? How simple is that? Yeah, it took all of 5 minutes. Rocks, a trash can, and a plant. That's all you need to have that. I think it's kind of cute. What do you think? You know, the thing with these type of planters, as great as they are, you can't move them once they're there, wherever you put them. Because, yeah, it's filled with dirt. Since this is filled with rocks, if I need to take this out and transplant it, it's going to be real easy just to dump out the basket of rocks, you know. I got my coffee. Thanks for joining me on my 5-minute spring planting project. Really, the beauty of it, I think, is the fact that you don't have to use any dirt, because the plants that you buy, they're already in dirt in their little containers, so you don't have to do any digging. Just put it in a trash can. I think that the wired ones with the holes work, because when you put it in the rocks, you can see the rocks. Yeah, I think it looks good. Like I said, it's not really a way to plant your plants, but it's a way to show them off in less than 5 minutes. And if they do get too big for that area, that little trash can, you can always buy a bigger trash can and add more rocks. But yeah, the best part is you can stick it anywhere you want to, indoors, outdoors, and easily water it. And yeah, I like the fact that it only takes 5 minutes to do. Hope you enjoyed watching. And yes, if you have a similar type project, let me know about it. Bye. Oh, and technically what I just showed you, it's actually what is known as Gabion. Yeah, the ancient art of combining the rocks and the wire. It's been around forever, actually more elaborate situations. Let me show you a few examples here, just to give you an idea of what else you can do. Yes, you can put a mailbox in it. Here's one with just flowers in this planter, but clearly that took more than 5 minutes, right? But yeah, you can build walls, full-on walls. Check that out. Isn't that amazing? Just with rocks and wire. It's, like I said, it really is simple. And you don't need dirt, you don't need cement, and all you need is some wire and a few minutes and, some rocks. And an imagination, because there are so many options of how you can do this. Really, truly, you can, see, do it like that. There's, like I said, it's a little more elaborate. Clearly, it takes more than 5 minutes. But, this person put it in a heart basket. That's kind of cool. Yeah, see, You can put it that. You can turn it into a bench. So yeah, there's so many options there. Check that out. Just like I said, go to Google Images and you can see all kinds of fun ideas of how to do this. It's complete staircases. Yeah. Rocks and wire, technically referred to as Gabion. But I preferred to just start off easy. You know, like I said, I just got a trash can, threw some rocks in it, threw a plant in it, and I went, oh, that's pretty. But I do see where I'm going to probably extend this to other areas in the yard. Like maybe put it a little around the mailbox, maybe, you know, I don't know. There's so many other ways to do this. So go to Google Images if you want some options or some ideas. But if you only have 5 minutes and you want to give a quick gift to somebody, perhaps, or just throw it in your own yard, grab a basket at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, wired basket, throw some rocks in it and throw a plant in it.